Filter classification of non-reusable mask as per EN 1492009 is FFP1, FFP2, P3, filtration efficiency 80, 94 and 99%, and total inward penetration that should be less than equal to 22% for P1, less than 8% for P2, and less than 2% for P3. Similarly, the filter classification of non-reusable medical mask as per EN 14683, type 1, type 2, and type 3, bacterial efficiency filtration should be 95, 98, and 98% for type 1, type 2, and type 3 respectively. And similarly, the pressure difference, microbial cleanliness, and splash resistance pressure is required up to different extent for these type of filters. The filter mediums. A filter medium is a kind of material which is permeable for one or more components of a mixture, solution, or suspension, and is impermeable to the remaining components. With different type of fibers are used to make a filter media, and these fiber must have these property to make a effective filter media. These properties are: the fiber should have low density, higher surface area, higher air drag, higher flexibility, variety of cross-sectional shape, and they must offer higher porosity by keeping at constant linear density. These are filters, sun efficiency, and the nomenclature of various masks which are used in USA: N95, N99, and N100. For filtration efficiency, 95, 99, and 99.97%, R95, R99, R100 for 95, 99, and 99.97% filtration efficiency. And maximum test challenge loading is 200 milligram filter loading. For P grade of P type of face mask, P95, P99, and P100, the maximum filter degradation is the prime parameter to test before sale into the market. The role of nanofiber in filtration media that has become very important, because nanofibers, they offers excellent filtration property due to its very high specific surface area. So they offers the high transmission resistance at low areal density and small orifice diameters. Idiosyncratic features like excellent connectivity, elevated specific surface area that varies from 1 to 100 meter square per gram, determined by fiber diameter, and variety of pore shapes to trap different nanoparticle varying in shape and size is also possible by using the nanofiber based non-woven filter media. For filtration mechanism, they works during the time of filtration by using the nano fiber based filtration media: cake filtration, depth staining, and surface staining. COVID-19 remains present in sneeze droplet and traps on very first layer of cake form on filter assembly. So in this way, the nanofibers are very useful to filter out the harmful bacteria of SARS and COVID-19. Filtration mechanism. There are five uh, effective filtration mechanism are present. The large size particle with higher density settled by gravitational effect, but tiny respirable particles and pathogens are difficult to settle due to the effect of gravity. The particulate having diameter equivalent greater than equal to zero point 0.6 micron is easy to trap by inertial effect and physical interception when it fails to flow with air stream around a textile fiber. In case of interception mechanism, particulate follow the air streamline bell, and streamline bring it naturally very close to the contact of fiber surface, and due to this attack on fiber surface, these particulate, they stop on fiber surface. The unguided movement of air molecules drives these tiny particulates to stray away from streamline under the influence of Brownian motion, and finally bring up to fiber surface for trapping when particle size goes under zero point 0.1 micron by diffusion process. Some particle captured by electrostatic attraction due to the presence of opposite electrostatic charges on particulate and fiber surface. These are the most popular mechanism of filtration: trapping due to inertia, trapping due to diffusion, trapping due to interception, and trapping due to electrostatic attraction. Uh, Fiber used to manufacture surgical face mask. A fine layer of textile fiber on both sides of surgical mask or respirator provides satisfactory protection against aerosol and pathogen penetration. Polypropylene, polyester, polystyrene, polyethylene, polycarbonate are the major fibers which are used to manufacture surgical grade masks. Cotton fiber is also used to manufacture various low grade face masks, but it is not advised to manufacture a medical grade face mask because cotton has very high absorbency as well as the sticking of various pathogens on cotton surface that becomes very easy. The diameter of these fibers varies from 1 to 10 micron, but sub-micron grade fibers gives better filtration potential due to its higher available specific surface area. These fibers also offer a minimum linear density, hydrophobic fibers surface, static charge free surface, functional surface which assist in bactericidal effect. The cross-sectional shape of fiber with high shape factor become more suitable for filtration point of view. If you will compare the circular cross-sectional shape with deep groove cross-sectional shape, circular cross-sectional shape have shape factor 0 and deep groove cross-sectional shape of fiber that has a shape factor of zero point 0.6. So in this way, the filtration efficiency of a deep groove cross-sectional shape fiber plus shape cross-sectional shape fiber and other which are not circular varying from circular surface, they give higher filtration efficiency due to varying orifice sizes. The features of non-woven filtration sheet: it should provide maximum filtration potential with minimum compromise with air permeability. It should be uniform in thickness and aerial density to offer uniform protection at every section of the sheet. It should remain intact during mask and respirator manufacturing as well as its use. These are some valves, safety valves, which are used to manufacture the surgical grade mask and respirators. If you will see the safety valve assembly, then you will find these are the essential components. You can start from outermost cover ring, which remains visible uh, on the surface of face mask or surgical mask. Uh, in, just below the outermost covering, there is a cover ring. Inside that cover ring, various layer of filter rings are exist, and then it is fastened by base ring to tight the filter assembly and intact with surgical face mask. These are some other eight air outlet open. In first one, the 4 air inlet open, 2 air inlet open, 1 air inlet open, flux valve and base with post. So durable plastic PVC is used to manufacture these assemblies, flexible rubber for exhalation and durable plastic PVC to intact the assembly. The components of smart breathing valve that can be explained here also. The first one is breathing valve, second is double layered filter, third is ear strap, fourth is breathable comfort material, and fifth is the whole assembly that can be used for repeated sanitization point of view. These are the various components of a face mask, and in this sequence they are arranged. So we can start from polypropylene melt blown sheet, that is the outermost sheet which is covered by PP melt blown sheet, and third one is carbon black containing sheet. This is used to trap various unpleasant gases and very toxic material which is comes with air in the contact of face mask. The innermost layer is PP melt blown sheet, which remains in the close contact of mouth and nose of the wearer. The sequence of filtration through face mask that can be represented here, the outermost layer, which will come in the contact of various type of viruses, bacteria, uh, PM 2.5 aerosols, or formaldehyde and other unpleasant gases also and chemicals. So this surface should be anti-static as much as possible. So some particles which are larger in size, they will stop here, they will block here, and some like gas like formaldehyde and particulate size 2.5, they will penetrate it and they will reach up to the next filter layer. So next filter layer is the filter cloth, non-woven filter cloth that will block some of the particles, and the third layer is made of activated carbon cloth, which will trap all these unpleasant gases and harmful chemicals. Then the particulate PM 0.3, they will still pass through this activated carbon cloth, and they will finally block at high efficiency filter cloth, and finally the clean air that will reach at anti-static cloth, which will remain on in the inner side of face mask. The quality evaluation of face mask and these uh, respirators is very important. Initially, the quality evaluation was started with SRS, but now there is a need to evaluate the quality of these protective gears with COVID-19 and other equivalent viruses. So, in vitro bacterial filtration efficiency BFE, that was considered under ASTM. Bacterial aerosol is passed through the sample from both sides of mask at flow rate of 28.3 liters per minute to mimic the hospital situation to protect the patient and healthcare workers. The mean size of aerosol is kept 3 plus minus zero point 0.3 micron. A better resistance to bacterial penetration proves the higher protection from disease transmission, and that must be there when anybody is going to sell the product under the category of respirator or medical mask. Breathability is another important criteria because the comfort of wearer that depends on breathability of these devices. So air permeability through the filter assembly, that should be maximum as much as possible. Difference of air pressure in both sides of mask is measured and expressed in air pressure difference per unit area of the specimen. Higher air permeability is proportional to ease in breathing and comfort without compromising the bacterial filtration efficiency and shape of the product. The splash resistance, the protection of device under splash of high velocity stream of contaminated fixed volume of fluid that may consist blood, mucus, sneeze over a short time span. The sample is mounted on a sample holder of equipment in which opposite side remains visible to see the leakage. Because as the leakage will come on opposite side, it means the penetration splash resistance of that fabric has crossed. A constant quantity of artificial blood is targeted to pass through a sample because a constant amount of blood that can splash in real situation also. As per ASTM, the face masks are tested at 10.6, 16, 21.3 kilopascal uh, at 80, 120, 160 mm Hg plus height to simulate the blood splash spreading. The medical face masks are tested at maximum blood pressure, which indicates that face mask will able to save the wearer in worst surgical situations also. The European standards classified the face mask on the basis of splash resistance. Type 3 surgical face masks should stand well at velocity of 120 mm Hg height also.